Hello, good morning again. So, first practical we have learned about the theory of volumetric analysis and redox titration. Then second, we have done the practicals KMnO4 versus oxalic acid and KMnO4 whole salt. But we forgot the calculation. Here we will do the calculation. For first, KMnO4 versus oxalic acid. So, practical 1, aim to determine the concentration of given KMnO4 solution by titrating it against solution of 0.1 molar oxalic acid. Here we have to find out the molarity of KMnO4 versus 0.1 molar oxalic acid. So here the observation table, burette reading, final reading, initial reading, difference, pilot reading, then first, second, third, fourth reading, then last concordant reading, average, you can say the average. But before we go further, what is pilot reading? In previous year, 11th standard, we have already learned about the pilot reading. Suppose our first reading is 10.5, then pilot reading is 10 to 11, between 10 to 11. Suppose our first reading is 12.7, then pilot reading is 12 to 13. Okay students, but in previous video we have already collected the readings. First reading is 10, second also 10, third reading is 10.5, then fourth reading is again 10. So our pilot reading is between 10 to 11. Our pilot reading is between 10 to 11. So initial reading, as we all know, we have done the practicals. Every time I said 0, then every time I will write here 0, because every time I burette my 0. Then difference is 10, 10, 10.5, then we have to do the calculation. For 10 plus 10 plus 10.5 plus 10 divided by 4 is equal to 10.1 ml. So then calculation. Molarity of KMnO4 solution, where our equation is A1M1V1 is equal to A2M2V2. A1M1V1 for oxalic acid and A2M2V2 for KMnO4, where A1 is equal to 2 because oxalic acid has 2 electrons. Then M1 is equal to 0.1 molar because in A we have already 0.1 molar oxalic acid. V1 is equal to 10 ml. In pipette we have already taken the 10 ml oxalic acid. Then next A2 is equal to 5. A2 is equal to 5 because KMnO4 has 5 electrons. M2 is equal to X molar because we have to find out the molarity of X. Then V2. Here our last reading is V2 10.1 ml. Then we will go further. What is A1? 2. What is M1? 0.1. What is V1? 10 divided by A2 is equal to 5. V2 is equal to 10.1. After calculation, our answer is 0.039 mole. KMnO4? 158. And what is molarity? 0.039. Then after calculating, gram per liter. Don't forget to write the unit. Then result is molarity of KMnO4 solution is 0.039 molar. Then gram per liter of KMnO4 solution is 6.1 gram per liter. Here calculation for practical 1 is completed. Then next for practical 2. Okay, so wait here. For second practical calculation, practical second, aim to determine the concentration of given KMnO4 solution by titrating it against solution of 0.05 molar more salt. As you can say, ferrous ammonium sulfate, the formula FeSO4 NH4 twice SO4 dot 6H2O. So observation table same as purate reading, final reading, initial reading, difference, then pilot reading. As you all know, our first reading is 10.5. The pilot reading is between 10 to 11. If you remember, our second reading is also 10.5, third 10.2, then fourth 10.5. Difference 10.5, 10.5, 10.2, then 10.5. Average is 10.4. Here we have to write 0, 0 because every time after reading I said 0. That's why we have to write here 0, 0, 0. Then last reading 10.4 ml. For calculation, molarity of KMnO4 solution. Here A1 M1 B1 is equal to A2 M2 B2. First particle oxalic acid, and here second particle for more salt. Then A1 M1 B1 for ferrous ammonium sulfate. Then A2 M2 B2 for KMnO4, where A1 is equal to 1. Here A1 is equal to 1 because of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Fe plus 2 is converted in Fe plus 3 for 1 electron. M1 is equal to 0.05 molar, which is here 0.05 molar. Then V1 10 ml because we have taken the 10 ml from pipette. A2 is equal to 5, M2 is equal to X molar again because we have to find out the molarity of KMnO4. V2 is equal to 10.4. Then we have to write 10.4 ml. Then calculate. A1 is equal to 1, M1 is equal to 0.05, then V1 is equal to 10. A2 is equal to 5, V2 is equal to 10.4. Then calculate. The last answer is 0.0096 molar. Then second calculation for gram per liter of KMnO4 solution, molarity into molar mass. Molarity is 0.096 molar into 158. Now calculate this. After calculating, our last answer is 1.5168 gram per liter. The result we have to write down the result. First, molarity of KMnO4 solution. What is the molarity? 0.0096 molar. Then gram per liter. Gram per liter of KMnO4 solution we have already find out. 1.5168 gram per liter. KMnO4 versus oxalic acid. Then second, KMnO4 versus more salt. Okay students, we have completed here the calculation. For next video, I will show you the colloidal salts.